Hello, this is your Talking Fitchburg Digest for the week of September 15th, 2025. Here to bring you the latest of what's going on and coming up in Fitchburg, Wisconsin. I'm Nick Boucher, new face for the show. You'll be seeing a lot more of me in the future. So I want to tell you about the Urban Forestry Management Plan that's coming up. You can contribute to the City of Fitchburg's Urban Forestry Strategic Management Plan. This plan will guide Fitchburg's urban forestry for the next 5 years. So there's an open house coming up related to this plan that's coming on Wednesday, September 24th. It starts at 6 p.m. and goes to 8 p.m. It's taking place at City Hall in the Oak Hall room of Fitchburg's Community Center. If you need more information, you can contact our urban forester and naturalist, Anna Healy. Her phone number is 608-270-4289. We hope to see you out there, even if you just stop by for a little bit. September is Falls Prevention Month, so we want to finish off the month with a free program from Dr. Zorba Pastor. Dr. Zorba Pastor will speak about strategies for maintaining independence and keeping upright at this free event. Learn about your own fall risk and leave with the resources you need to prevent a fall. That's happening on September 30th. It starts at noon and goes until 3:30. It takes place at the Covenant Church in Madison. Registration is required, so contact Ashley Hillman from Safe Communities at 608-235-1957. Coming up is Pick Me Up at the Borner 2025. This is Bike Fitchburg's big event and fundraiser for the year. This is a long-distance ride that can take you as far as the Illinois border. It's a night ride that goes on the Badger State Trail with 3 distance options. Riders can choose to go 25 miles to Belleville, 40 miles to Monticello, and 80 miles to the Illinois border. If you change your mind at any time, there's plenty of support out on the trail, so you can always change your distance. It's a big group ride, not a race, just go at your own pace. They meet at 6:30 p.m. on Friday, September 19th at the Seminole Tap, and they'll get on the trails by 7 p.m. You need to register online at Bike Fitchburg's website. A $15 donation or larger is required. State trail pass is required. Bring your lights and a helmet. Anyone under 18 needs supervision. Coming up at the Oak Bank in Fitchburg, the Great Pumpkin Giveaway is happening. So on Saturday, October 4th, from 9 a.m. to noon, the Oak Bank will be hosting their Great Pumpkin Giveaway. Come to the parking lot at Oak Bank in Fitchburg, pick out pumpkins, grab a goodie bag, and enjoy tractor-drawn carriage rides. Kids will have the opportunity to meet local mascots, and there's plenty of other fun happening. Cash donations collected during the event will be donated to Meadowwood Health Partnership. So a lot of great events coming in Fitchburg. Put those on your calendar. We'll see you back next week for a new digest.